All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Butternut, butternut squash. Squash. Yeah, butternut squash. Yeah. A yellowish, yellow. Try and get a picture of yellow. Yellow. Yeah, let's try that. Yellow. Yellowish brown. So let's look at brown. Brown. Yellowish brown. Yellowish brown. Pear. So pear. Fruit with orange flesh. Orange flesh. Yeah. Let's look at pear. Here we are. A pear. There we are. Yeah. Thin at the top, wide at the bottom. Yeah. Do you like butternut squash? Oops. Do you like butternut squash? I guess that I like butternut squash. Yeah, I am not sure. I guess I like butternut squash. I guess so. Yeah. She might like butternut squash more than me. I guess so. He always grows butternut squash in the garden. Yeah. Okay. Always grows butternut squash in the garden. Yeah. They know exactly when to plant plant butternut squash. It is the right time to harvest the butternut squash. To harvest, to take it out from the ground. Yeah. How cool is that? Butternut squash used to be their favourite, not anymore. It is not their favourite anymore. Not their favourite fruit anymore. Yeah. They are growing butternut squash. So this is a good season to grow butternut squash. Good weather. We have good weather for it. Yeah, good weather. How cool is that? Do you think they will grow more butternut squash? Yeah, well, they might grow more. Butternut squash. Unless they change their minds later on. They change their minds later on. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? Butternut squash. Yeah. So, can you use butternut squash in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.